Hi everyone, today I'm going to be learning to do something on Adobe Illustrator since it's a basic skill to have as a designer, and I'm going to be following this tutorial and tracing an image of a cloud. It was a rainy day on Saturday when I filmed this, so let's place our image in the frame on the layer we have. So this is our original image, and I want to trace it and make it a vector image. But let's see the difference between the two images. And to show you that, I went ahead and created a new layer, and I copied and pasted the image outside of the frame on said layer. Now let's go back to our image and start tracing. Now I'm on the original layer. So we're using the image trace window that you can find in the window menu. And we want to change the color settings from black and white to color, because I want my vector image to have the original colors. And we're just gonna click trace. And you can't see much change except for the rain. I don't know why it just disappeared. But this could be avoidable if I sharpen this image on Photoshop before loading it into Illustrator, because it couldn't pick up the pixels of the rain, I guess. But now to see the points of your vector image, you need to expand it. Now you can compare it to the original one. So you can go ahead and delete the original image. And let's drag and drop our image to the outside of the frame. But you can see that our vector image has a white background. To delete that, we're gonna take our selector and press anywhere on it and delete it. So now we have our cloud, and we can do so much with it. We can draw over it, and I wanted to use a bigger picture for drawing so I can learn how to draw. And we can scale it and it won't lose its quality. But following this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a pattern out of it. Go to the object menu and look for pattern and then make. And now you can save your pattern as a swatch. But I actually didn't save it, but it still went to the swatches. And here it is now. I don't know why this happened. I wanted the middle one to be the pattern, but this is my first time doing this, so this will do for now. So let's make something out of it. I'm going to create a new layer. And on that layer, I'm gonna place a rectangle. And as you can see, the pattern is filling it, but I want to change the background of my pattern. And there's some default swatches in Illustrator, so I chose nature and then seasons. But when I select my rectangle and a color to fill it with, the color shows up, blocking the pattern, and I want it to be in the background. So let's see how to fix this. Let's go back to my pattern. We can switch layers and fill it from here, and it actually appears in the background. But I want to change the colors, and this won't happen if I didn't lock the other layer first. And now I can play with the colors, and let's choose a blue color. So yeah, this is the video. this is my pattern, and I'm gonna save it. And it's not perfect, but I'm proud of it. It's a Saturday. I wanted to learn something cute. So yeah, I changed the color. I don't know why. Okay, save. And I hope you had fun. This is not intended to be a tutorial, okay? Thanks for watching, and bye.